What if you could just snap on a new camera lens to your phone like you would on a DSLR? Sounds far-fetched, right? Well, maybe not for long, because Samsung might actually be working on something like this. A new patent has surfaced, and it hints at a big shift in how smartphone cameras might work in the near future. This patent, filed with the dual IPO database, shows that Samsung is thinking about modular camera systems. Basically, lenses you can attach or swap out depending on what kind of photo you want to take. Now, if you're not familiar with modular phones, the idea is simple. Instead of having just one fixed camera setup, you could add or change lenses, like zoom lenses, wide angles, or even macro lenses whenever you need them, kind of like how professional cameras work. And yes, this is the same kind of concept the Nothing CMFF Phone 2 Pro is rumored to explore, but Samsung seems to be going even further. According to the patent, Samsung's design would include four main parts: the phone's main body, a detachable lens assembly, an image sensor, and a tiny motor to help adjust either the lens or the sensor. While that sounds a bit technical, the basic idea is simple. You snap on a lens and suddenly your phone camera can do a lot more. We've actually seen something like this before. Vivo, for example, recently launched the X200 Ultra, which supports a 2.35x telephoto converter lens. It clicks on magnetically and transforms the regular zoom into something close to an 8.7x optical zoom, which is equal to around 200 millimeters. That's the kind of serious zoom that's usually only available on big, expensive cameras. Samsung's version could take this idea and go a bit further. The patent shows a rotating ring built into the lens itself, which might be for manual zoom control. That's still just a guess for now, but it's the kind of thing photographers would love. Another interesting part: the phone might recognize which lens you attach using a magnet or even RFID, radio frequency identification. That means when you snap on a lens, the phone instantly knows which one it is and adjusts settings automatically. That's smart. Unlike third-party options like moment lenses, which require a special case and sometimes don't fit quite right, Samsung's patent seems to show the lens being part of the phone design itself. That could make things look cleaner and feel more seamless. But at the same time, it could limit the lenses to just one phone model or a specific series, unless Samsung finds a way to make them work across different devices. Honestly, the more realistic path might be for Samsung to follow Vigo's strategy and sell these lenses as optional accessories. That way, they wouldn't need to redesign every phone to make it compatible. Instead, they could offer a grip or mount that fits certain models. Of course, all of this is just a patent right now. It doesn't guarantee anything. Many companies file patents for ideas that never make it into actual products. But the fact that Samsung is even thinking in this direction is exciting. Imagine not needing to carry a separate camera or even a bulky lens kit just to get great shots. If you could throw a tiny lens in your pocket, snap it onto your phone in seconds, and shoot high-quality photos, that would be a game changer for mobile photography. So, what do you think? Would you buy a Galaxy phone with attachable camera lenses? If you want to stay updated on this and all the latest tech news, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.